AOL is a famous intelligent cutting equipment manufacturer in China. Jinan AOL CNC Equipment Co., Ltd. is committed to providing production solutions for flexible material cutting. AOL's production base covers an area of 15,000 square meters and has 110 national patents. AOL annual production volume is more than 3,000 units. The main products are intelligent knife cutting machines, automation equipment, and robots. Our equipment is sold worldwide, and we have many excellent partners. We welcome OEM orders and recruit agents all over the world.